जो सब करते हैं यारो वो क्यों हम तुम करें, यूं ही कसरत करते करते काहे को हम मरे। घर वालों से टीचर से भला हम क्यों डरे, यहाँ के हम सिकंदर चाहे तो रख ले सबको अपनी जेब के अंदर, पर हमसे बच के रहना मेरी जान।
नहीं समझे हैं वो हमें
तो क्या जाता है, हमारी बाजी को जीतना हमें आता है। ये गलियां अपनी ये रास्ते अपने, कौन आएगा अपने आगे, राहों में हमसे टकराएगा जो हट जाएगा वो घबरा के। यहाँ के हम सिकंदर चाहे तो रख ले सबको अपनी जेब के अंदर, पर हमसे पंगा मत लेना मेरी जान। नहीं समझे हैं वो हमें तो क्या जाता है, हमारी बाजी को जीतना हमें आता है। मतवाली परियां जो है अब दौलत पे कुर्बान, जब कीमत दिल की ये समझेंगी तो हम पे छिड़केंगी अपनी जान। यहाँ के हम सिकंदर चाहे तो रख ले सबको अपनी जेब के अंदर, अरे हम भी है शहजादे कुर्बान।
नहीं समझे
for all the gifts and the love we all receive. Sing a song with one accord, now and all our days. For God and our country we live and serve, with knowledge like labor and steadfastness.
25 years seems like a very long time. मेरे लिए I think तो 25 से भी ज़्यादा टाइम हो गया डॉन बॉस्को छोड़े हुए, but Thanks to social media, thanks to पिछले एक डेढ़ साल का lockdown, I guess got connected to many of you. And ये brainchild, this thinking of plan of getting together as a team, as a group, as a class once again. जितने लोग ही आ सके, I think it's a commendable achievement. So let's have a big round of applause for that. A note of thanks and a lot of gratitude to each one of them, not just to the class teachers, but all the subject teachers who helped us, who taught us, who punished us, who told us what, gave us the ability to differentiate what. We are where we are because you were where you were, standing by our side, telling us, helping us what side.
That's called alma mater.
So that message, staff of house very helpful and kind enough to go and get this message for us. So we just keep saying that. That's also another bit of trivia, right? Number 10, number 39, number 66.
Bus number.
These are all the buildings that we spent our early years of school. LKG जब हमने ज्वाइन किया शायद बिल्डिंग 10 में ज्वाइन किया था, फिर 39 में चले गए, UKG आया, फिर 66 से Subarna was the class teacher, and then at some point of time we moved to the Digha building. Anyone remember when did we move to the Digha building? कि हम एक दूसरे का उम्र भर तक साथ निभाएंगे. आज हम 25th एनिवर्सरी पे मिले हैं and let's promise to each other that हम वापस with larger group 50th एनिवर्सरी पर भी मिलेंगे. Thank you all.
A great effort to organize an album to which all of us are making a great effort to organize an alumni meet at Delhi. It's indeed something wonderful. And the effort that we are putting into this particular venture will go a long way in helping us to establish what we call Alumni Association of Don Bosco. Probably this may be the initial stages, the beginning. And I take this opportunity to wish you all the very best and I'm sure God bless you all. And hope you stay and when we are celebrating Thank you and thank you.
Let's stand up for a minute in silence for people.
Well, most of you would not be aware who are they, but actually we lost them very recently, and it's a memory of Somraj's parents. Actually, due to COVID, they were suffering 1.5 months. They were in hospital, and after that, they could not. They succumbed to complete thing. It's horrible to even speak about all these things, but Samraj is here. I never wanted to bring it up, but then again, it would have not been justified if you are paying homage and the photos are not displayed. Sorry so that I'm bringing it again to you, but then again, we really feel sorry, and we are all along on the side with you in all these painful moments. So never feel alone when you are a part of Section 8, and we are all together in all these things, and hence moving forward you can actually have the feel and the confidence on the section, because you very recently again got active in the Section A group, and now this is just simple because I am very close to Samraj from very childhood. His parents and all. Well, I remember in childhood his this front ground was very big. We used to prepare a pitch over there and play and all. And then my mother used to always be after us, that they will break the glass, this, that and all. But she loved us a lot. His father was a very sober person. He used to sit and watch. His father himself was a very good cricketer.
Definitely 25 years, because I don't recall speaking to him after Standard 10. Like I have a special connection with a lot of people in Section A, and they weren't necessarily my best friends, but I did have shared special equations with a lot of guys. And it started with a lot of people. I have a special connection with Rajendra Gandhi, with Rahul Gaur, with Rajesh Pandey. Similarly, I had a very special connection with Rahul. I found him to be a very astute cricket mind, and he was good at studies and everything, but I found him to be really, really extra special when it came to analyzing cricket and the game of cricket. And when we started this whole exercise of bringing Section A together in February and March 2020, I was relying on Prakash Kullu, and I was obviously in a very distressed situation myself with my wife who was battling terminal illness, and we were all holed up in this apartment, and COVID really made it worse. So I wanted to channelize my energy and turn it into something positive, and that's where I got around and decided, okay, let's do something about Section A. And one of the most encouraging conversation that I had was with Rahul. The way Rahul responded was amazing. It was almost like it was seamless. It was like a reduction of relations from 1996 to 2020. And it felt like I was speaking to the same person, the same guy, and I even apologized because Rahul sent me a friend request on Facebook in 2010. And I just couldn't recognize who this was because he changed so much. So he looked very different in school. I apologized confusing to him and Ashish as well. I didn't recognize Ashish because he was wearing the Mandarin hat or some Sherlock Holmes hat kind of. I just couldn't recognize him. He was so different. So I apologized profusely to him. And he was like, no, don't say that. And the way he responded and he was so warm. Getting 25, 30 people to attend a webinar, was not easy. And to have it's always the first and the second guys who respond positively, who give you the confidence that you can do it. And Rahul was one of the guys, and it was just amazing. Besides that, discussing cricket with him was extra special. When we did that live discussion on the India Tour Down Under in December of 2020, the way Rahul would always come up with something really ingenious in terms of, when we were all reading something into the game, he read something else, and he would invariably be right. So, Rahul wasn't just cricket. He was a much bigger person, but cricket was a large part of him. And I will always hold him in high regard in terms of how he viewed the game and his special connection to the game. And he was so excited about the game that he was even willing to plan a trip to Australia, with all of us together. And it's a big thought. Going to Australia is like, going to the other end of the world. It's a long flight, and it's a lot of investment of money. And he was willing to, even raise a loan and go together as a group to watch a match in cricket, Sydney Cricket Ground. Inshallah, if we can plan a get together one of these days, one of these years, 5 years later, let's do that. Let's go to Sydney Cricket Ground and watch a India cricket match. At least dozen of us, if we go, we really take Rahul with you. So that's how big it was for him. And I really feel bad because
when we started this whole fun collection, and this project about getting this 25-year anniversary get together, Rahul was again one of the first guys to respond very positively, making his contribution right away. And it's really sad and very cool and part of life to have done what it has. But then that is how life is, and I personally really wish that he's in a he's well rested and in peace, and we wish his family all the best for the future.
An honor to have you all together out here. और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि आप सभी यहाँ पे आए हैं। 25 साल हो गए हमारे को मिलते हुए यहाँ। It's been we are celebrating 25 years of our togetherness. और सभी कहाँ से आए हैं। Anirudh, I can see you laughing. That's so good about you because I'm drunk. I know. That said, let's come to the conclusion, which says and which depicts कि टुगेदरनेस में भी मजा है और जिनको हमने खोया है उनका दुख और दर्द हम सबके साथ में है, हमारे जहन में है। और सोमराज मेरा भी बहुत बचपन का मित्र, बहुत क्लोज है। इसके पेरेंट्स मेरे भी बहुत क्लोज थे, अंकल आंटी। और सोमराज, आज मैं पूरे महफिल में इस चीज़ को कबूल करना चाहूँगा कि मैं पटना में था और मैं आ नहीं पाया और तुमको एक कंधा नहीं ले पाया। उसके लिए मैं हाथ जोड़ के माफ़ी मांगता हूँ तुमसे आज। मैं हाथ जोड़ के माफ़ी मांगता हूँ और
share with you guys the entire detail very soon. But it's something, if I'm successful, I can assure you, you guys will be very proud of what I'm trying to do. I love you guys. And I just cannot tell you how much I'm missing not being there. यार बहुत बुरा लगता है कि हम वहाँ पे अभी प्रेजेंट नहीं है तुम लोग के साथ। और हेलो, Anirudh, please step forward and collect your 11 number. आगे
So
तो मेरे को मिस जरूर करना।
Yeah, we do miss you. Shut up.
आतिफ
और ऋषभ 100 नंबर 100 नंबर
Ready? Deepak! 2, 3. Good enough. 2, 3. 3. That's good enough. 3. Down. 3. 3. Give them. 3.
यादों की बारात निकली है आज दिल के द्वारे सपनों की शहनाई बीते दिनों को पुकारे दिल के द्वारे हो छेड़ो तराने मिलन के प्यारे संगमा पे सितारे लपेटे हुए ओ जाने तमन्ना किधर जा रही हो जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए। There won't be any organized going around because it may so happen that the picture which is being displayed
that person would be in that team, and it becomes very easy for that person to guess. So basis the picture which comes up, I just call up the team that who would need to identify that. Hope this makes sense.
Sheet ना भूल जाना तुम अपना.
Okay, so done. Next table. Go ahead. No, sorry. Next table. Right answer. One speaker. Ron, next table please. Ron, next table please. तो बोलते ना भाई.
अरे जब वो anyone हो गया था तो बोल सकते हैं. जब anyone.
Right answer. You got a clue. That's right. Yes, your team. Last one, anyone? Rajesh Pandey. Go ahead, please. This team. The right answer. The right answer. The last table. This table. Okay, can you now guess it? Okay. Back here. Back here. Please keep it. That's the right answer. Rishabh, Manish, Kirantan. No.
Sanjeev.
Wrong. Next table. That's right. No, sorry. This table. That's right. That's right. This table now. This table now.
Is none other than Prakhar Prasad.
That's right. They get 2 points.
Gariman team, please decide.
That's right. Rishabh is the right answer.
Please be seated.
किसका टर्न है यार? Which turn? This is okay. That's right. That's right. जिससे तेल था अब तेल फट गया. That's right. Right answer. Oh, no, Gandhi will come to you. Don't worry. That's right. That's right. Sorry. Next table. That's right. Okay, the second table, please. The second table. हटा दी. That's right. Madhukar.
Please sit down, please sit down, please sit down.
गुलाबी आंखें तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया. संभालो मुझको ओ मेरे यारों, संभालना मुश्किल हो गया. गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया. जरा तू भूल कर लो जरा मैं इश्क मेरी का, जरा तू भूल कर लो हमसे प्यार करने की, जरा सी भूल कर लो. मेरा दिल बेचैन, मेरा दिल बेचैन, सफर गई मेरा दिल बेचैन. कुछ सिखा रहा है.
मरघट तक है तेरी कहानी, पग पग प्यारे। दंगल 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 दंगल, सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे। दंगल 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 दंगल, माँ के पेट से मरघट तक है तेरी कहानी, पग पग प्यारे। दंगल 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 दंगल, सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे। दंगल 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 दंगल, धड़कने छाती में जब दुबक जाती हैं, पीठ थप थपा उनको फिर जगह बात बन जाती है। बावले हाथी सी हर चुनौती है रे, सामने खड़ी घूर के बड़ी आंख दिखलाती है, तो आंख से उसकी आंख मिला के भिड़ जाने का नाम है प्यारे। दंगल 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 दंगल, सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे। दंगल 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 दंगल, मजबूत भरोसा अपने सपनों पे करना, जितने मुंह उतनी बातें, गौर कितनों पे करना। आज लोगों की बारी, जो कहें कह लेने दे, तेरा भी दिन आएगा, उस दिन हिसाब चुका के रहना। अरे पेड़ की हाहाकार की एक दहाड़ है प्यारे। सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता बेटा कर दिखाने का मौका जब भी किस्मत देती है, गिन के तैयारी के दिन तुझको मोहलत देती है, मांगती है लागत में तुझसे हर बूंद पसीना, पर मुनाफा बदले में ये जान ले बेहद देती है। सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे। दंगल 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 दंगल
Oh, good shot. Abhishek trying to out the ball. Oh, wide. The free hit continues. Free.
जोरों एक फोटो आ जाए लगी जोर
कब से करे है तेरा इंतजार, कब आएगी मेरी जाने बहार। कब से करे है तेरा इंतजार, कब आएगी मेरी जाने बहार। के जितना ही बहलाऊं ये उतना ही मचलता है दिल दीवाना, दिल दीवाना, तेरा दीवाना।
डन सर,
चलो
फ्लाई द कैम।
दिल चाहिए।
वेट,
खड़े।
भूरो
इसका लेना भाई, नाम तो लिखा हुआ है। वही मैंने।
अंदाज दिखलाती सौ के जलवे लुटाती हुई, अंदाज दिखलाती सौ के जलवे लुटाती हुई। आती होगी मौसम के साथ गुलशन खिलाती हुई। आधी जा अब जाने जा दीवाना, दिल दीवाना। कब से करे है तेरा इंतजार, कब आएगी मेरी जाने बहार। ये जितना ही बहला ये उतना ही मचलता है दिल।
हेलो, अरे फोन तो उठाओ। हेलो,
दिल से लगा करके रखा अब तक रेशम का तेरा रुमाल। दिल से लगा करके रखा अब तक रेशम का तेरा रुमाल। आगे कहूँ क्या जाने मन,
फील्डिंग कर रहा है।
देख जा मेरा
वंडरफुल शॉट और 4 रन। कितना बॉल जाते हुए 2 रन। The ball is still there. He will take 4 run.
अरे कहाँ गया? ऋषभ यार, हेलो हेलो, तुम खेलो।
So as we all know, this was a tribute match for our
dear late friend, Rahul Kumar. And he's the reason why we are here together. उसने ही हम लोगों को प्रेरणा दी थी। क्रिकेट का हम सबसे एक जुड़ाव सबका रहा है, बट राहुल का जो एक विशेषता थी कि वो क्रिकेट के बारीकियों को समझता था। वो हमारे ग्रुप में काफ़ी डिटेल डिस्कशन होते थे, तो उसने इस तरीके से पूरे क्लास को एक धागे में बांध दिया था कि ये होना बिल्कुल अनिवार्य था। तो बहुत नेचुरल है, बहुत ही प्राकृतिक है कि हम यहाँ पे सब जमा हुए हैं। और ये राहुल का जो दुर्भाग्यवश देहांत होने के पश्चात है, ये होना और भी ज़रूरी था। तो हम प्रार्थना करते हैं कि आज उसकी दिवंगत आत्मा हमको देख रही होगी और कहीं ना कहीं हमसे ये सफ़र तो चालू रहेगा। हम लोग क्रिकेट के मैदान पे कहीं ना कहीं ज़रूर मिलेंगे और हमारी एक प्रण है, हमारा एक प्लेज है कि हम लोग ऑस्ट्रेलिया में डाउन अंडर सिडनी क्रिकेट ग्राउंड में टेस्ट मैच देखने जाएं, कम से कम डबल डिजिट 10-12 लड़के। Tribute to Rahul Kumar, tribute to all our teachers, all our class teachers, right from Mrs. Gomes, Mrs. Neelam Thakur, Mrs. Subarno, Mrs. Fernandez, Margaret, Rosamund Joseph, Sunil Magda, Donald, Sir Johnny, Donald Martin, and all our special mentions to MP Singh sir, who was very supportive of us, Sir Tom, who else? PC Thomas, especially Reggie Thomas, very supportive. Sir Rosario, you know, the head of the institution. Sir Jeff, who inculcated fitness, you know, and the spirit of sports in all of us, and spirit of fair play in all of us. And if there's anybody else who we've missed, Sir Jose Polical.
People are following
day in, day out. The drinking habit has really got on. So thanks to all those teachers. And अब हम लोग मेहमान से रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि पुष्पांजलि करें।
सर प्लीज हो गया। तो मैंने अपना जब गोष्ठी
ये निमंत्रण है,
अभिषेक चाहे तो किसी को दे सकता है।
और ये
लविंग मेमोरी ऑफ राहुल
कुमार। This is to be handed over to his family. Handed over to Deepak. On our behalf, Deepak is going to present it to them. And Deepak is
और ऊपर लंबा हो जाएगा।
मार्क्स हटाओ।
आपकी बात। कप्तान हिंदुस्तान। उसको सजा जाए, बाहर उसको सजा जाए।
And one more thing. It is a ever-rolling trophy. The same trophy would be used in further editions of.
Due to budget constraints.
Rahul, no, nothing like that. But since Rahul Kumar's name is there, so it has a secret value, and we are valuing that name on this trophy. And there is nothing for budget sort. We have enough, but this is for Rahul Kumar, and we will continue. Very nice gift, sir.
प्रखर प्रखर चला रुक प्रखर आओ प्रखर
आगे
कहाँ तो भाग रहा है राहुल हमारे विरोध जिताया मैन ऑफ द मैच को प्रकाश बचा दिया मैच
वेट 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 वेट